Alright, let's dive into strategically using that free Prizepicks promo money to snag some real wins. First, pinpoint your promo balance within your account. It's usually clearly marked as promo balance or bonus funds. Crucially, review the terms and conditions. They dictate things like minimum entry amounts, eligible sports, and any deadlines. Familiarizing yourself prevents any unexpected surprises. Navigate to the sport you're interested in and choose a contest compatible with the promo. Eligibility varies. Ensure your bonus can be used for the specified contest. Deeply research your matchup. Scrutinize player stats, recent performances, and any injury reports. Next, choose your player props. Click over or under on each player, predicting whether they'll exceed or fall short of projected stats. Prioritize strategic picks during your assessment for your initial plays. Utilizing the promo funds, consider employing low-risk strategies. When your entry is perfect, click Submit Entry, confirming it's the contest that's promo eligible. Confirm you're utilizing your promo balance before finalizing. Review your choices and, with a smile, submit. The platform will display your potential winnings. Good luck. Stay responsible.